Alright guys, so we will now see how to move the reference that we created in Zotero in a Springer format, because that's the format we are going to use to submit the paper. So I went to Springer Nature, I downloaded this template. It gave me some error, so I moved whatever files they were in the .bst outside. And this is how the article looks like for now. So this is how it is built up. They have 8 references, some sections. We will swap this and add our reference. That's the goal that we want to do right now. So there are a few things about Tech Studio that I would like to quickly update you. Let's remove this download so that I don't get confused. So we are using Git repo folder, and our document is this.tex. Alright, let's try to compile it and see if everything is working, and then we'll go ahead and add our reference file. So everything is working. Now we'll add our reference file. So these are the papers that we downloaded for our research. We'll export them, and I'm using better BibTeX, and I'm going to do I'll say AI fin bibliography. Okay, now what I will do is I will add that here, AI fin, and let's see if it gives me any error, and then we will add a sample citation. Okay, nothing, so let's go inside, let's get this paper, and let's try to cite it now. Citing my paper. So it's going to be in this format. And let's see if this works, and it's going to come under okay, let's see, /cite. Oh, it's not catching. I gave the wrong file name. No. So let's try another one, and let's see if that works. So /cite, okay. Okay, something is wrong. So for now, I'm going to remove this, and let's see if we get ours. Yes, we get ours. So maybe something was not working when we were using both. But we are more interested in citing our paper than there. So this is what we wanted to cite. Now I can try to get the other one carefully. Maybe the order it expected was the same. But even if that does not, I'm not really worried, because we are not using any of the citations from that. So even if this does not work, that does not bother me right now. So it was the order issue. So our paper is about AI. Let's see if it went through or if it's not going. If yes, it went through. So our paper is paper number 2. Okay, so this is how we would work. Now let's try to remove their citation and add our citation. So side, okay. Site P, site P, site P, site P. We will look at site P in a second. So let's not remove them. We might need to use that later. Okay. Uh, Now let's try to get our work in here. So we will move our citation and we will move it here. So for that, we will use this one. Now I'm going to paste this one, and I'm going to save two copies, which is, this is going to be long. I'm going to remove the abstract. I'm doing it because I want to paste it to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to make a literature review for me. So I'm removing this because if I put this, then the ChatGPT would not be able to read this. Okay, now let's see, is everything okay till now? Yeah, everything looks good till now. Now let's put this into ChatGPT. Can you make literature review detailed, like 4-5 lines for each paper from below, and give me latex code that will have the correct key as in the file. Let's see what ChatGPT has to say. So this is a detailed literature review which is summarizing 4-5 lines, and it has given it in the format we want. Now we will ask ChatGPT to use the exact citation thing that we are using. So we will say, do not use hard coded, but instead use keys like this. Okay, so it gave us this. We will copy. uh, Give me only code of the stuff, do not give me code of whole document. Okay, why are you not using, oh, it is okay, let's see if it is working. So we copy this, we put it here, and let's see if we are able to get the literature review. Yes, we do. Now we will ask ChatGPT to uh, group them into three groups and organize them into related papers. Can you group them into three groups so that same papers can be linked to each other and grouped properly? Okay. After this, we will ask it to give us the group headings. Give me the group heading also in the latex code. Okay, now we'll say remove numbering and make the lines flow together. Okay, let's see. Now we get them here. And now we have them grouped by in the way we wanted, which are these. Then we will do other stuff from the literature review, uh, like other things. Let's see if the citation goes along with the Springer citation. I think so. They also used 1, 2. Okay, so this is good. So this is how we will, and then we have to read them and confirm them. Do the basic literature review using the ChatGPT.